Alright guys, today we are going to do section 7.1, which is integration by parts. And this is the third section, or the third method, let's say, of integration after the direct integration using the integration rules of the polynomials and other functions. The second one was the integration by substitution, and this is the third one, which is integration by parts. Originally, this rule comes from the product rule of differentiation, where we have d by dx of f of x times g of x is f g prime plus g f prime. This is the product rule. From this rule, we come to the fact that if we have the integral of f of x times g prime of x dx, this can be integrated as f of x g of x minus the integral g of x f prime of x dx. So in other words, if we take the function f of x and the derivative of the other function g prime of x, if they were in one integral, that is a function and the derivative of another function in the same integral, then we can take this rule to calculate the integral as indicated in here. So let's box this and use it in application of our integration by parts rule. Let's start with the following example, but before that, it is usually shortened into u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du, where we consider f as u, g prime as dv, which is the derivative of v. So the two functions u and v, the function u, the derivative of the other function v prime, which is here dv, and then we take the rest of that as u times v minus the integral of v du. Let's go straight to the first example and see how this can be applied. The integral of x sine x dx, the first one, first integral, x sine x dx, we can take here, let u equal x, so we are going to take this as u, and then the rest of the integral we are going to take it as dv. So if u is x, then du is dx, and therefore v is negative cosine x. Where did we get this from? Just integrate. The integral of dv gives me v, so the integral of sine x is negative cosine x, and the derivative of u is du, and therefore I have u, du, dv, and v. Just put these back in the rule up here. So what do I have? The integral of x sine x dx can be expressed as the rule says u times v, which is x cosine x, the negative sign came from here, I put it in advance, minus, now the integral, v is again negative cosine x dx. So cleaning this up gives me minus x cosine x, negative minus is plus. Now the integral of the cosine is sine x plus c. Done. This is my integral.